Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Boo. We click on settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Boo and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Here you can go to Play Store. You will search about Boo, and then you can announce your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.